I know what you're thinking. What is with the bonnet? I will explain everything very soon. Okay, so if you don't follow me on social media, then you probably don't know that I have new hair, so we can get straight to it so you can see, or I can just eat my rice cakes. Anyway, I just got back from work and the result that won from the poll that I was holding was the gothic aesthetic girlfriend routine look or something.
It's a very rich country musically speaking. So is America, so we have that in common about great music, you know, great jazz musicians, great percussionists.
If you haven't noticed, ow! This, I'm not using it, I'm using my phone. So you have to bear with me in the quality. The thing that I'm meant to use to transfer the video footage is sort of a, yeah, no. So in order to produce some form of content, I have to use my phone, and my phone's sort of broken, so my laptop is also broken. I'll be editing everything that you see on my phone. I really hope that you like it and it's not too bad. But yeah, let's get to the video. Right, so we are going to be... My mother's on the phone. This is about to get really nasty. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I don't really like my face without foundation on because I feel like I look really ugly. This better not fall on my face. Dip a little bit of my finger in there. Then I oil up my face. Try and show you that, but it's a little bit dirty. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go more for the straight up look. Oh, what am I doing? Oh gosh, I'm hating this right now. With this type of stuff, I don't really like focus on being neat. It's just me, really. I don't like to dab with my fingers because I feel like when I do, I'm rubbing it into my pores, which I think is really freaking disgusting. I thought it was about time that I experiment with my hair a little bit because it was small and curly like all the time, and I just wanted to bring something new to the table. So yeah. There's a lot. Apply some on this. Kylie Jenner taught me how to put blush on my forehead. Right, this is the part where I cut myself off. Ooh. Ooh, girl. I'm sort of improvising right now, so I couldn't even tell you what I'm doing or why I'm doing it. Oh, I look like one of those characters from like Michael Jackson's Thriller video. Plot twist. I was one of the people that were in it. Okay, it was meant to be wetter than this, but how do I like explain it? Like, this is a straight up scrunched hairstyle. Yeah, I'm gonna go and wet it again. Okay, I'm back. I am going for the wet look. Oh, jeez. Okay. chill. Okay, chill. I know this isn't really like gothic or anything. I want you guys to check out the coolest chain I got. Look, it's like a knife. So pretty. It broke on the original chain, so I had to improvise with the chain that I got. Oh crap. Oh crap, it's bad to talk while you're eating. I'll link everything down below so you could like follow me, because I need friends. I don't have that many friends. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I do YouTube for the people who watch me, so whatever you want I do. And I really hope you enjoy your day, and yeah. Lakey wanted to do that try on haul, but you guys didn't vote for that all the way, so couldn't do it. But that's okay, because I didn't have money anyway. Peace out. Woo!